Namaskaram and welcome to Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. There are so many festivals coming this month, and when we think of festival, the first thing that comes to our mind is Vada Payasam. Vada Payasam இன்னைக்கு பண்ணணும். When we get up in the morning, we'll just think of soaking some lentils. Today we are going to make super medu vada. It is so crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. We're going to use urad dal for this. This is so good for growing children, otherwise how will they have urad dal? Ulundu, especially for girl children, it is very, very important. We can make even ulundu kali, ulundu urundai, and then medu vada anyone can have, and especially for an evening snack also, it is too good. Let's see how to make this medu vada. Let's see the list of ingredients needed to make this. Urad dal 1 cup, rice 2 teaspoons, pepper half tablespoon, jeera half tablespoon, chopped ginger 2 teaspoon, curry leaves a few, green chilies half tablespoon, coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, salt as required, coconut oil or any cooking oil for frying. First we'll soak 1 cup urad dal and 2 teaspoons of rice for 3 hours. You can put it together, mix well, and then pour water. We'll drain the water and grind it using wet grinder. You can grind it in the mixie also. I usually grind it in the grinder for large quantities. If you're making just 10 or 12 vadas, you can just use the mixie jar itself. Remember to add water little by little when you're grinding. That's very important. Just a few tablespoons are enough, otherwise it will become very watery. The batter should be light and fluffy. Now we are going to add other items that will add taste to our vada. Let's add pepper, jeera, chopped ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves, salt and green chilies, and mix well. We're going to refrigerate this mix for 20 minutes because you might have noticed when you add salt to anything that has water content in it, it becomes more watery. Like in vegetables also you might have noticed, like snake gourd, cucumber, etc. So the batter also, it becomes a bit loose. So when you refrigerate, it will thicken and gives you the right consistency for making vada. Next, I'm heating the iron kadai and pouring Dhanyam's organic coconut oil. I always use coconut oil for frying because it gives a nice taste and flavor to it. Dhanyam's organic coconut oil is cold pressed and contains all the nutrients present in the coconut. When the oils are refined, the nutrients are lost in the processing, which involves so much heat. So always use cold pressed oils, and especially should try Dhanyam's cold pressed oils. If I'm trying something in my home, my friend who is on the ground floor quickly calls me on the phone and asks, "Are you bringing me some yummy snack?" So it is so nice when we exchange. I bring tea or she brings snacks sometimes. It is nice. We bond over snacks. So you can know how flavorful it is. So here our oil is ready. Keep water in a vessel next to the batter. I'm dipping my hand in the water and then taking a small portion and making a ball so that it doesn't stick to the hand. Make a hole and gently drop in the oil. So fry it for a few minutes and then turn it gently. Repeat this flipping, and when the color changes to golden brown, we can take it out. Wow, see the aroma, it is so nice. Coconut oil and urad curry leaves combination is so amazing. You should have this with coconut chutney, nothing like it. Our crispy vada is ready now. You should have this during tea time or just any time. It's a perfect snack. See how yummy it looks. It is so crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. You try this and let me know how this came for you. You make this for one of these festivals, for Diwali. So many festivals are coming. You try this and let me know. I'm so eager to know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. Namaskaram.